Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to move a picture on Snapchat on your My Eyes Only album. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, I want you to launch your Snapchat app. Click on the album button at the left side of the capture button. And I'm just gonna choose camera roll. So just go ahead and choose the photo that you want to move on your My Eyes Only album. Click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click My Eyes Only. So just go ahead and click move. And now you can delete the original, but don't worry because the photo is now on the My Eyes Only album. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.